Hello. Why am I so awkward? Today, we're doing something new. Okay, as you can tell from probably the title of this video, we are doing a reflection of the month of July. I'm starting a new series. Well, I hope it continues, depending how it goes. I kind of wanted to do this for myself to stay accountable, but also help anyone else who is kind of in the same boat as I am. I feel like I'm so overwhelmed with just everything going on. I need to have a plan. We're gonna kind of get into that later on. But first, let's screen share or record my screen. I forgot how to do that, so let's Google that real quick. Okay, for those who don't know, on the Mac, to screen record, it's Shift plus Command plus 5. So let's do that. Shift Command 5 and record. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Sweet, okay. This is gonna be interesting. This is my first time doing a video like this, so I hope it goes well. Okay, let's start off with, it's the end of July. I don't know how I should go about these videos. So right now it's Friday, July 28th. It's 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. This is what I do on Fridays. Fun stuff. As you can see on the screen, I have two folders. Or two projects. One is a monthly reflection and the next one is a monthly goal planner, but that's gonna be for the next video. These are available on my website. I made printable versions and then Canva template versions. So if you go to my site, fitbyjennifer.com, and go under planners on the tabs, you will find all of these. So we're starting on my monthly reflection and oh boy, I'm nervous. Okay, let's get this going. I'm kind of nervous about talking about July. Not really actually. Okay, so we'll start. This is the Canva template, so you can just easily fill in the blanks. I don't know about you, but I like seeing my vision, especially goals. Lately, I've been kind of reflecting, and usually the first part of my daily journal, I write down 5 things that I'm grateful for. So I figured a monthly reflection would be a good way to kind of see all the grateful memories and accomplishments that I completed in the past month. So yeah, hopefully it's not too bad. I know Shamey was in town all of July, so it's gonna be not too much of work related stuff on this reflection, but we're gonna do our best. I have a feeling next month, because I already planned August, and that's gonna be a busy month. So I'm also excited to show what I do kind of behind the scenes. And I think these monthly goal planners and monthly reflections will kind of showcase why I'm probably not messaging you back for those who double message me, because I'm so bad at that. I'm so sorry. I'm just so, I feel like I put so much on my plate, but I like the challenge. So I don't know. Okay, without further ado, let's get started on July. I'm nervous. Okay, so proud moments. Also, I had a rough draft because as soon as I turn on the camera, my mind goes blank. So I kind of just have some ideas on here, so I'm gonna be looking at this and then converting them over, because we would be here for all day if I didn't do that, because it takes forever for my brain to start working. Okay, proud moments. Honestly, the month of July, I'm really happy that I got to spend a lot of time with Shamey. We went on a bunch of dates, ate a lot of food, but it was very good food, and we did a lot of bouldering. So I'm gonna put dates, etc. And then on Canva, you can extend it. I don't know if you guys use Canva, but I'm obsessed. Bouldering. We went bouldering so much. We bought a membership for the month, and I love how I'm continuing mine because I've been just obsessed with it. So yeah, I don't know, I like bouldering. It's definitely challenging, so I don't know, it's different. I don't know, try it out if you haven't. On top of bouldering, we hit 3K subs on YouTube. I'm very happy about that. The growth of this channel the past year has been pretty consistent without me posting consistently. So that's gonna be next month's goal, is one of them. So stick around with the August planning, because you're gonna see a lot of detailed stuff when it comes to like the YouTube stuff. So yeah, okay, so we hit 3K on YouTube. I went to Six Flags for the first time. What? Wait, let's see. Went to Six Flags for the first time. That was so fun. I've never been to Six Flags. I went with a few friends and Shamey, and that was such a good getaway. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? But that was very fun. So I enjoyed spending time with my friends as well, because I feel like I just work so much, and it's hard for me not to feel guilty of not working, because I feel like I have so many goals to hit. It's okay. But I enjoyed my time with them, so that's all that matters. Okay, oh, I did a photo shoot. Well, I took photos with a local influencer. Did I spell influencer right? Her name's Kelly. She was super sweet, and I'm so excited. I'm editing the photos right now, but I'm so excited to like give her the photos because they're so good. I'm so excited for that. But that is on this weekend's to-do list. Oh, we also rearranged the apartment. I don't know if you could tell. Oh my gosh, there's probably misspelled words. So, I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't really see the screen. So I'm just like, like, hope it works. As you can tell behind me, this is new, but I'm planning on recording a apartment update video this weekend. So be ready for that. Okay, let's see. I think that is kind of the highlights. See, this isn't, usually I work a lot. So these moments, it's definitely a different month, but I'm thankful for it. And I honestly think I needed the break because I've just been going at it for the past year, as a lot of people may know. So it was nice to kind of tone it down this past month and enjoy life and enjoy friends and the boyfriend, and then do a lot of stuff that's not work. So I don't regret it at all. Okay, let's go to work in progress. Work in progress. Okay, I did not weight train. Did I even once? I don't know. I don't think I did. We bouldered instead. So Shamey and I kind of stuck to like every other day go to the bouldering gym. But some days we like skip maybe 2, maybe 3 days. Because your hands get so exhausted and your whole body's sore. So it's kind of a workout, but it's not my weight training. I need to get back to my Marvel challenge. That is also something that I need to do. So I'm kind of starting the challenge, not all over, because I kind of started it, but I knew my months were getting busy. So I know you guys wanted the challenge, so I was like, okay, just post it. and then when I finally get everything situated, I can start it, and this is me about to start it. So I'm excited to see those results, because I think with these workouts as well, it's gonna help me get better at bouldering, because that's the life goal, right? Is to be an expert at bouldering. No, I just really want like the hard routes. Like, some people make it look so easy and I'm like struggling. So we're definitely gonna get back onto our weight training routine. And also with that, diet needs to be better. Shamie and I, be better. Shamie and I ate out a lot. Really good food though, not gonna lie. Chicago has really good food, but it could be better. So I'll be back at meal prepping and getting meals delivered from the meal prep company I've been doing. So I'm excited to continue with that. Let's say drink less wine. I feel like I drank so much wine this past month. Oh, stress. No, I'm kidding. It's like everything built up and then I just like binge drank wine. But it sucks because I can drink a whole bottle of wine and like nothing happens. I'm Italian. Walk more. I did not, even though it's getting hot, hopefully I can walk more. I definitely want to walk more just to get that as my cardio. And if anything, I can start waking up early and doing the treadmill. So I'm fine with that. And ooh, this one's a big one, especially for next month. Take YouTube seriously. I have an in-depth planner for YouTube, so I'm excited. I feel like I'm going like psycho with it in a way. Like I'm getting obsessed with like planning videos and like what I need to do, and like studying my analytics to figure out like what's working, all that stuff. So next month, definitely gonna be a huge YouTube month, and I'm excited for it. Okay, that is all I have for that. It's basically working on my health and then YouTube then. That's what it kind of sums up to, which is great. Let's do it. I'm down for that. And then what to expect. Okay, so I'm just gonna say this number because I have no idea what's gonna happen, but I'll say this number. 3 videos a week on YouTube. And if I get more, that would be awesome. But I just wanna say 3 for now, just in case. Obviously, back on my workout routine. Clean eating, we already know what's up. Juicing, so I bought, it's not there, okay. I bought a cheesecloth because I don't wanna buy a juicer because they're just humongous and take up so much space, and that does not sound fun to clean. So what I like to do is get a cheesecloth and make my own juice. So I'll definitely show that somewhere on this channel because it's super easy and it's so cheap to do. So if you want to get into juicing, this will be the way you want to go about juicing, that's for sure. And then, ooh, a huge thing, what to expect. I forgot to put work in progress. Wait, hold on. Posts, I want to say consistently on FitBee Apparel's Instagram. I have so much content to create on top of the local fitness influencer I took photos of. Also working with this other influencer I found on YouTube, and she sent me a bunch of photos, so I was like, oh, heck yes. Thank you so much, because it's so hard to get content. But I have all this inventory, like not inventory, I guess it's kind of inventory of photos, so I can easily just make posts for it now. But that's definitely a day to sit down and batch create all the posts. And then what to expect, FitBee Instagram. Getting like posts ready for that emails, texts, because it's been really slow with business. Honestly, the past whole year, I'm trying my best. I only can do so much because it's a one-woman show. I get as much help as possible, but it's mainly the budget of FitBee where all the sales go back into the business, and when we have a slow year, obviously we're not making that much money. So we don't have money to put back into the business right now. But also, no, that's on the August planner. There's like a project I'm working on for that might help kickstart things back up. So, but that will be for the next video. So you gotta stay and wait for that. Okay, this is pretty much the monthly reflection sheet that I made. If you want a copy of this, feel free to go to fitbyjennifer.com and you can download it there. There's a printable version and then a Canva. But I really wanted to transfer, because I always have things written down, but I feel like, because I use Canva so much, why not have a sheet I'm looking at every single day, put my goals down, check things off, all that stuff, and then as I made it, it just sparked my brain to say, oh, I wonder if someone else would need this. Because this has been helping me. I've been making templates. I have a whole YouTube template. Wait, I don't even think, I'm not like giving that one away, but it's a whole planner of YouTube videos and my analytics and all that stuff I'm getting like super obsessed with. So that kind of sparks my inspiration for doing monthly reflections and monthly goal planning on Canva, because that YouTube planner has been helping me so much with YouTube planning everything else. So I was like, yeah, this would be a good idea. So I'm excited. Is that it? Is that it? I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this new series, and if you have any goals the next coming month, or something that you're proud of, like one of your proud moments you had the month of July. If you want to leave that down below, I think that would be cool, kind of to see everyone's perspective of their previous month, and we'll all go from there, you know? On time. Okay, well, it's late. It's so late. It's 8:30, it's not late. No, I came home. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna record this video as soon as I get home. Guess what happened? I passed out. I put 3 alarms on and I did not hear one of them. I had an alarm set to wake up at 5:30 and I woke up at 7:30. It's okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in the August planning video, because that's gonna be a lot. So I'm excited. I'm excited to do that. Might take a while to film, but it's okay. It's okay. But until next time, peace.